What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV. We back with another mother video. You see the title. Share my nose. You see the title, so you know we're about to get into. Shout out to my mom because she hit these on sneakers. I don't have the got 'em picture because it's on her phone, but obviously I hit it. This sneaker dropped secretly. I don't know where else, but I know it dropped on sneakers. My braid is a little tangled up right there on this side, but yeah, anyways, long story short, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We on our way to 300 plus, and then we're on our way to our goal to hit 1,000. Once we hit that, we're doing a free giveaway, so make sure you subscribe, join the squad, and comment anything you want, because I respond to all my comments. Okay, yeah, so let's get into it. Like I said, you see the title, so you know what we got. Let's get right into it. It's your boy Little Roy. So off rip, it's a big box because we got a good size. Shout out to, like I said in the intro, shout out to my mom. Mind you, this dropped the same day as the Billie Eilish sneakers, the red and white varsity Dunk Lows. I did hit a GS size, by the way. And I didn't tell my mom to go for these, but she went for them. And what do you know? She hit. Look at that size. 11.5 women's, which is a 10 men's. Typical orange box. But look at the prize. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Alright. I just got a Snapchat notification, so my bad if I just looked it weird. But boom. I think they call them what? The icy blue something on these. Alumni, yeah. So on the official tag it says Women Nike Dunk High, white, alumni, aluminum, whatever, however they pronounce it. They put black in. Oh, I thought it said black, but it said something else. But right here in the flesh, boom. Let's take out the other one. Mind you, these are so rare, but if I'm not mistaken, I don't know if the price went down on these. I have to check. But I sold them immediately once my mom got them. Because she got them, I'm like, I don't know if it's profit. I said I'm not going to cancel it because I still want to do a review for you guys. But on StockX, it was going for like $50 profit. But on GOAT, it went for a $95 profit. Literally, I made $95 off this shoe. Because even though my mom got it on sneakers, obviously when I sell it, I'll give her money. The 120, whatever. And yeah, she bought it for 120 with the tax. I made $215, so I'll give her 120, and then I'll keep the profit, which is $95. So boom, look at that. First of all, these are beautiful. I do like this. Surprisingly, every time I see a good dunk, whether if it's a high or a low, I always say it's so crazy how they took this long to drop certain colorways. Surprisingly. But, yeah, I know they had the football gray or something like this before that looked something similar. I don't remember the exact colorway. But, yeah, right here in the flesh. Boom, boom. I ain't do a thumbnail, but let's get the thumbnail. Boom. So, yeah, let me know in the comments, did you grab these? Was you able to touch W or L? Let me know in the comments. Let me know, do you like these? Are they fire? Or did you pass? I feel like I said, I don't know where else they dropped this. I don't know if boutiques or raffles had them. But I do know sneakers dropped them randomly. And I don't know if Finish Line had them. I'm not too sure. Man, it smells good. Nothing beats a fresh pair of kicks. But let me know if they're cute, pretty. Do you like them? Don't like them? Let me know. Nothing really too crazy to describe. My nose itches, got allergies. But, yeah, really nothing inside, just the typical aluminum blue on the tongue, regular, nothing too crazy. It's literally this colorway throughout. You know, they dropped a lot of dunks this year, highs, with the color pattern white, color blocking with the, you know, whatever color they put, the royal blue, the Syracuse, whichever ones, but yeah, I'm surprised they went for high profit, I guess, because it's so limited. But, like I said, I think price did go down. But I sold it the first day immediately. Once my mom hit, I sold it immediately. And thankfully, Nike didn't cock block my money and they shipped immediately. I think they dropped, what, Saturday, Friday, whatever day it was. And today's, what, Monday? And they came in today. So, shout out to Nike, because Lord knows Nike done cost people money before. You know, they ship late, whatever happens, they ship late, and then, yeah, we have to cancel orders. They don't come in time, profit goes down. You don't want to, you know, sell ahead of time because you might not get the shoe. Man, Nike will literally cost you money and time. Regardless, this is the shoe right here. I wanted to show you guys, like I said, mind you, this shoe already sold. So I made my $95. Size 10 men's, 11.5 women's. You know, it's cool to get some dunks for retail, especially if they go for profit. But let me know if you guys like the aluminum, whatever, however they describe it and pronounce it. Do you like that type of blue colorway? Are these fire? I think prices would do better if they would have made GS, because I feel like as a women's shoe, profit always goes down because they label it as women's. If they would just make it men's and GS, yes, it says men's, but if you could correlate the men's size to women's, shoes would do way better on the market, because when you label it men's, guys want it more. You have the extended sizes, and then females look at GS like they could get GS sizes. When you get a women's shoe, it's so annoying. It's like to correlate the sizes, because girls get sneakers and they don't even typically go after their women's size. They always say, oh, I wear a 6 GS or I wear a 7 GS. When you make it a women's, it's like, okay, do I get a 7 women's or do I get an 8.5 women's? You know what I'm saying? Like, it's all correlated. And sometimes women don't even shop for women's shoes. They shop for boys' shoes, but in women's size, if you get what I mean. But, yeah, these are pretty cool. I like this colorway. It's pretty nice, like a baby blue. Like I said, this is my size. Maybe not. I don't know. Because like I said, in dunks, I wear 8.5. So this is a 10. And if this was a Jordan 1, then yeah, I could wear this. But who knows? Who freaking knows at this point what size I wear in dunks? I really don't know. But yeah, one final look. The bottom. Like I said, these basic colorways, there's not really much details to really go over, because you could really see the details in itself. There's nothing really else to show. But I just want to show you this for the video. And if you're watching at this point, and yeah, shout out to all the new haters that was commenting crazy. First of all, go look at the Drake video of the recent Drake Nike golf collab of the Naka, whatever, how you pronounce it. That got so much dislikes because people said review, but I didn't wear it and I didn't really show nothing. First of all, I never put in the title try on haul. So why would I be wearing the clothes? Makes no sense. And they said, oh, you really didn't even show nothing. It's in the plastic bag. I showed you the product. Clearly, you wanted to see the product. You know what the product looks like because you've seen it on the internet. So I'm showing you that I got it. And that's why it's labeled as a review. I'm not opening none of these clothes if it's not personal. Because if it gets damaged, used, messed up, I can't sell it. People don't think on the internet, but whatever. Shout out to the real ones. That's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. That's all I got to say about these. These are fire. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Ladies, if you're watching at this point, because this is a women's shoe, hit me up on Instagram. The DM is always available for the pretty ladies. And shout out to my supporters that still rock with my videos. As well, at the same time, go subscribe to my main channel. Link is down below, as well as Instagram. That's the only 2 links you got to worry about. Is in the description. Go check it out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the flip side, the next video. I don't know what it is. Hopefully it's another sneaker. Hopefully it's clothes. I don't know. We'll have to figure it out. We'll see. Either way, yeah, see you guys on the flip side. Hopefully the shoe don't fall. But all right, yeah. Peace out. See you on the flip side.